What's up, guys? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. If you're an Apple fan, or if you love Apple in general, you know what time it is. Today is the release of the M2 MacBook Air 2022, and right here I have my wife's MacBook Air 2022 M2, and so mine's is coming next week because for whatever reason when I was checking out, it only allowed me to do in-store pickup. That's besides the point. Let's go ahead and open this baby right here. This particular model is the 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU with the 8GB unified memory coupled with the 256GB of SSD storage. Now mine, since I do a little bit more work when it comes to editing and stuff, I did get the 512 Space Gray. I wasn't able to get the Midnight. Oh well, it's not the end of the world. But like I say, let's get into this unboxing. And like I love with Apple products, easy to open up, even from the packaging of the cardboard box that came with it. So let me go ahead and peel this off here. And between the both of us, my wife and I, this is our first MacBook product ever. So it's very excited to see what we get into with these. Mine is mostly going to be for editing and photography and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and slide this up. Sorry for all the shaking. Design with the Apple on the Apple logo, bam, right in your face. Let's go ahead and pull this out again. Love the packaging. Pull the tab and it's out. Now before we get to the main event, let me put that off to the side. Okay, so we have our MagSafe here. Our little manuals and probably the the infamous Apple sticker. I heard that it comes with the color, is color coordinated to what you choose. So let's see if the sticker in here is gold or star, whatever they want to call the new gold color. You know what, I'm just gonna rip this out. So here we go with the sticker. Bam, there you go. So let's put that off to the side. Throw this to the okay. It's charged pretty fast. I might get the 67 later. Go ahead and rip that off. So I'm gonna get the one with the dual ports on there. That will probably come in handy. Let me go ahead and put this off to the side. And let's unwrap this baby. First impression, very light, very compact. I love the smooth edges on the side. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, this slight gold shimmer to it. No, it's not like gold that pops out like boom, but it's very subtle. Love the mirroring effect of the Apple logo. At the underbody, you have your little pegs here, so it won't slide back and forth. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Yeah, the little screen. Wow! As soon as I didn't even press the on button, like this is all new to me. So I guess as soon as you open it, it's on. As you can see here. There you go. Screen real estate. Love it so far. Very clean layout. On the side, you have your MagSafe port there. On your other, and then additional 2 USB slots there, and then your headphone jack, which is kind of hard to believe, but they put it on here, so that's a plus. Now it would have been weird if they would have thrown a CD-ROM drive, but nobody uses it no more. So yes, so there we have it. That's the setup. I mean, not the setup, but the the first turning on. I'm gonna let my wife set this up. Again, this is not mine. Mine is coming on Friday, unfortunately. Hopefully earlier, They said 21st. I don't know why it would take that long to get to the store, but it is what it is. So I can't wait to try mine out. I love the solid build of this. Like I said, this is my first time ever owning a MacBook, or our first time owning a MacBook product. We do have iPads, iPhones, etc., but yeah, this is pretty good, and I'm going to be very productive. You're going to see more videos coming out. I've been slacking over the years, but hopefully this year I can really push forward. So guys, thanks for watching this quick unboxing video. Please give this a thumbs up. Comment, did you get one? Are you waiting? Or if you did get one, how long is your wait? Is it in August like others? And so, yes, comment, like this video, subscribe if you like, and more videos to come. Peace out.